Welcome to Deep Healing Sounds. If you woke up today with a heavy chest, a racing mind, or a sense of dread, you are not alone. This space is for you. Before we try to change anything, let's just land here. Push your heels into the ground. Feel the floor. It is solid. It is steady. It is not moving. Now, place one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. Feel the warmth of your palms. Take a breath, not to fix your anxiety, just to meet it. Inhale slowly. And exhale with a long, soft sigh. Again, inhale. And let the air carry some of that tension away. You are safe in this room. You are safe in this moment. Anxiety is just energy looking for a place to go. It is a storm passing through, but you are the mountain. The storm cannot move the mountain. Notice the thoughts racing in your mind. Imagine they are just clouds. Watch them drift by. You don't need to catch them. You don't need to solve them yet. For the next minute, just listen to the sound. Let the frequency wash over your nervous system like cool water on a burn. Repeat these words silently. Let them sink in. I am not my anxiety. I am the one experiencing it. I have survived every morning before this one. I am okay. I don't need to know the whole day. I only need to be here. Now. My body is allowed to relax, even if my mind is busy. I am doing my best, and that is enough. As the tightness in your chest begins to soften, notice one small thing you can be grateful for. Maybe it's the safety of your bed. Maybe it's the fact that you showed up for yourself today. Showing up when you are anxious is an act of courage. Be proud of that. You don't need to be high energy today. You can be slow. You can be quiet. You can be gentle with yourself. Take a final deep breath. Imagine this breath creating a soft bubble of peace around you. When you open your eyes, you don't have to rush. Carry this ground beneath your feet throughout your day. You are safe. You are okay.